Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a group health insurance policy with Blue Shield easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Blue Shield website. Locate the group insurance section on the home page. Click on the link for get a quote or contact us. Select the type of group health insurance you are interested in. Fill out the required information about your business, including the number of employees. Provide details about your desired coverage options. Review the preliminary information to ensure accuracy. Submit your request for a quote. Wait for a representative to contact you, which typically happens within 24 to 48 hours. During the call, discuss your specific needs and any questions you may have. Review the quote provided by the representative. Ask about any additional plans or options that might benefit your group. Once you have made a decision, inform the representative about your choice. Follow their instructions to proceed with the application. Complete any necessary paperwork, either online or by mail. Make sure to review the policy details thoroughly before signing. Submit the signed documents as directed by the representative. Once approved, you will receive your group health insurance policy documents. Make sure to distribute the information to your employees. Schedule an orientation meeting to explain the benefits and options available. Regularly review your policy to ensure it meets your group's evolving needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.